Welcome to the Animal Papa channel. This is the Animal Papa, and I'm here sitting at the lake watching this bird flip around a worm on the branch, which I thought was pretty cool. I was watching it for a while. I said, let me show the people this bird flipping around this worm on the branch. Make sure I can get a little closer. This is going to be just a quick one. We're here on a nice January day. We got some snow on the ground, and we got this beautiful bird flipping around a worm, which I thought was pretty cool how he actually found this worm in this frozen dirt. Now, as you can see, he's flipping it around. Nature in the making. Just gonna give you a minute or so just to watch this guy flip around this worm, and we're gonna be out. But I thought it was pretty cool, so I figured I'd show everybody. Some National Geographic stuff. On that note, I think we're gonna be out. Take care till next time, and God bless everybody. Let me give you a quick look at this lake before we're out. As you can see, it's starting to freeze. Take care.